Good afternoon, I'm Wednesday on with all your storm trackers, and right now we're tracking a potential for severe weather. This is 6 a.m. This is the GFS. Tuesday morning at around 6 at 12Z, 6 a.m., which will be roughly 6 a.m. on November 25th, Tuesday, November 25th. As you can see, showers and thunderstorms. Let's take a look at the sounding, and let's just see what they're showing. Looks like there will be a little bit of a cap, so it looks like a fairly low threat. Very little surface-based cape. Actually, it looks like no cape, so I think the threat will be very low. This is 6 a.m. This is at noon, based on the GFS. 6 p.m. Still showing some rain across much of central Alabama, north Alabama. Fast forward to midnight, and as you can see, showers should start moving out by 6 a.m. Wednesday, and probably be out of the area by noon. This is according to the GFS. Now let's take a look at the same thing on the Euro. So we're gonna rewind back to, okay, so here we are at 9 p.m. Potentially seeing showers moving in as early as midnight. The Euro seems a little bit faster, maybe a little bit stronger, with a low around Memphis. And lifting off to the north. Now, the European model, this is 3 a.m. Tuesday, 6 a.m. Tuesday, showing some decent weather. Let's get a data sounding for around Birmingham. The Euro suggests still not much in the way. However, that right there, that temperature and dew point right there looks a little bit concerning. Mid-60s, but there's very little cape with this, which is convective of available potential energy. So this is 6 a.m., 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., 6 p.m. I want to get a cape look, especially that still in the 60s with still no cape, so that's actually kind of a comforting sign. Let's see what else we can look at. As you can see, the winds, you're looking at around probably 25 to 35 knots. 25 to 35 knots across much of central Alabama, so not really looking, this is not looking all that they're looking at around mid-60s. Mid-60s. With looks could be a fairly tight pressure gradient, so it could be a little bit on the breezy side. and fairly low pressure. And we'll take a look at the National Weather Service office in Birmingham. Currently 71 degrees. This is Tuesday, severe weather risk is level 1.